statement of BJP leader R. Ashok calling them as Pakistani, calling them Bangladeshi, calling them as sleeper cells.
See, RSS and BJP, they are people who have nothing to offer to this country. They only have things to take. RSS, who basically were, on the payrolls of the British, who were with the British throughout the entire colonial era, had nothing to contribute to the freedom struggle of this country. They believe that they have earned the right now to give out certificates of patriotism. Now they have taken upon themselves to give certificates of citizenship. This is not their job. What they're trying to do is an entire issue, a humanitarian issue, a crisis that has happened. They are trying to convert this into a communal issue because basically two reasons for that. Number one, the BJP and the RSS have absolutely no concern about the poor. They don't care about the poor. They don't care if the poor are suffering. They don't care if the poor have, or have houses. They don't care if the working class has enough wages. All they are concerned about, this entire thing of bulldozing of the houses of the poor. This was brought in by the BJP, the RSS. That's what they've been doing in all their government, in all their states. So demolition per se is not their problem. Their problem is that the government, admitted its mistake and felt that, okay, we should not have demolished it in this fashion and we're going to rehabilitate them. That's where their problem lies. The other thing that they're trying to do is to obviously communalize this entire issue. If they are Muslim, then obviously, according to them, no Muslim belongs to this country. According to them, all Muslims in anywhere, either from Bangladesh or Pakistan, or should go to Bangladesh or Pakistan. So these kinds of games that they are playing, all of us rejected. On behalf of CPM Liberation, we are warning these kind of divisive forces that they better watch their steps. The people of Karnataka are not going to stand for such